vibes ang ilang dalit sa ilang mga Pinoy fans sa social media. Gipanganak o nagdako man sa nasod sa Japan, apan mas mapatigbabaw ang ilang pagka-Pinoy by heart. Sila ang Japanese trio nga SKYGARDEN nga gilangkuban nila Rio, Hero ug Iwa. Karon, ipaagi nila sa musika ang ilang pagsabak og good vibes ug dungantang ma-LSS sa ilang bagong dalit nga kanta.
Hello Rio, Hero, and Iwa. Good morning and welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Paki-greet ang ating mga kapuso na nanunood sa ating ngayong umaga.
Maayong adlaw mga kapuso! Konnichiwa, what's up mga kapuso? My name is Rio, Iwa, and Hero, and we are SKYGARDEN. Yes.
Rio, Hero, and Iwa, you are well-known content creators and have taken the Philippines by storm since your debut in 2022. What do you like about your Filipino fans and supporters?
Fans! Yes, our fans sobrang hyper fans. And grabe, welcome to us, welcome us.
You have spread good vibes sa mga Pinoy, lalo na sa social media. Paano ba nabuo ang grupo ninyo, Rio?
Thank you very much po. For that's a good question. Yes. Actually dati po kaming tatlo, we were working as a businessman. Si Hero lang, he was a guitarist ng isang band sa Japan. But due to COVID, due to pandemic, nawala po sila ng trabaho.
Yeah, wala na.
Yes, nawala po silang trabaho and they got depressed in Japan. Kaya when I saw them, actually nagtatrabaho po ako noon in the Philippines that time in a Japanese company. And nung nakita ko po sila na sad, parang I have to bring them here to get influenced by Filipino.
From content creators, now you will give joy to our fans through your song. Tell us more about your group, SKYGARDEN, Rio.
Okay po. So, in regards to that po, yes, last year, I was more focused on them to be happy, to get influenced by Filipino, and we already achieved that. Tapos na po yun. Kasi sobrang saya na po nila, nag-iba po sila talaga in a positive way. It really changed them and I'm really happy for that. And right now, as SKYGARDEN's goal right now for 2023, we want to give that back into something.
Speaking of song, I understand you have a new single under Alt G Records, Kokoa. What song is this about?
It's a Japanese word po. Shinorten lang po namin. Like, it's a word from a Japanese phrase called Kokoro kara aishiteru. So, it means, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Ganun po yung kanta niya. And it is based from Iwa's background nung high school. It's a love song.
Kaya naman, kindly take this opportunity to invite all our kapuso to listen and download your newest single and invite them too to like your social media accounts.
Thank you very much po. So, for mga kapuso po, konnichiwa, what's up mga kapuso? Thank you so much for listening to our interview po. Don't forget to listen to our new song, Kokoa. K-O-K-O-A. So, ito po, lalabas po siya sa Spotify, Apple Music, and all other streaming apps po. Meron din po YouTube Music. So, please listen po. Hopefully, listen at least 2 times lang po. 2 times lang. Yes, habang going to school, going to work. 2 times lang. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much, Rio, Hero, and Iwa for sharing your time with us here, the SKYGARDEN, mga kapuso.